Hey guys, it's the Chad, and I'm here to talk to you about the 1967 to 72 Chevy and GMC hood release or hood catch. We've seen from my previous videos how to ID the hoods for these. You know, the 1967-68 had that very steep angled leading edge to the hood, just like the 1967 and 68 hood catch. Very steep angle to that front leading edge. In 1969 through 72, the hoods had that very vertical leading edge to it, just the same as the hood catches. As we look at these, it's no longer slanted down like the 67, 68. It goes up and has a vertical drop to it. That also helps you ID it. We'll have to determine by the hood release handle which one's my 69 and 70 or 71 and 72. Then we have the old oddball GMC. Now we will have to look specifically at the release handle on this to help us ID this. If you guys find this beneficial, valuable, cool, good, please become a subscriber. Hit the like button, ring the bell because they say that does something too. So let's take a closer look at each of these to help us to determine which year they fit. On the left, this would be our 1967-68 Chevy release. We can tell that just like the hood has that steep angle to it, so does the hood release. The release handle itself is the longest of them all to get through the grill of the 67 and 68, and it is centered the 1969 and 70. This one no longer has that steep leading edge. It's more of an upright and then a vertical drop. Also, we see a shorter release handle that is centered to fit through the 1969-70 grill. When we move over to the 1971-72, this one looks very similar to the 1969-70, but we can see how offset the release handle is between the 2 years. This was so we could get our fingers in through the egg crate inner grills of the 71 and 72 to pop the hood. So then we move to the GMC. It looks similar to the 69 through 72s, but we can see how offset the release handle is on this. All the GMC grills had a center bar in the middle. We had to have the release handle offset so far so we could actually reach in and pop the hood. So they are very similar, but very different. Each of these won't fit the other. We need to ensure when we're at swap meets, Craigslist, Marketplace, when we're buying these, that we're buying the right one for our application, because they are specific to the type of grills that we have. So now that we've taken a closer look at each one of these hood releases, hopefully you have the confidence that you can go out and buy the right one for your year of truck. Now we noticed that every 2 years the Chevys had slight differences, where the GMC catch was completely different. So my goal of these videos are to help you guys build the confidence that you need to buy the right parts for your year of truck. I'm a huge 67 to 72 Chevy enthusiast, but to get there, I've wasted a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of hours of research to get to where I am. Did I mention the part where I've wasted a lot of money buying the wrong parts? Why else would I have this many hood releases? So if you guys find this beneficial, hit the like button, think about being a subscriber, and type down into the comments what videos you'd like to see next. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.